Hello, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. So the other day I posted picking out my hair for my permed hair for the first time, and I got a comment about I should try picking out my curls while they're damp. So that's what I'm gonna try today. Hopefully my hair is not too wet and is damp, because for some reason I can't figure out what damp is. So I have my pick. I guess I'm just gonna go at it the same way as I did when it was dry. Let's go, I guess. Just gonna do the same thing as I did before. Stick it in, pull. And because I have new growth, I had to pull it a little bit farther because I got some new growth. I got a lot of new growth. My hair grows real fast.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right.
Oh, yes, it's already looking more voluminous. And it's still wet. What is this sorcery?
On track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them.
How does this work when it's still wet?
So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow.
And because it's still damp, if I need to fix a curl, so much more easier. She already looks poofy. Separate this curl. What is this sorcery? I'm shook to the core. Okay, I think it's good. I'm gonna let it dry and show you guys. I just stabbed myself in the ear. What it looks like dry. It's like volume without the extra added frizz. Like they said, they're so smart. Beautiful. Okay, I'll see you when my hair is dry all the rest of the way. Okay, she is dry. I didn't touch it at all. And look how beautiful she is. She's so beautiful. She has a little bit of crunch, so let's crunch it out a little bit. It's perfect. It's perfect little curly, cute. You're a genius. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's like super voluminous, but like literally no frizz. And if there is any frizz, it'd be because I went outside in freaking tornado type wind weather, winter wonderlandness. I love it. So yes, that was like curly hair hack of the year. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't look at my clean laundry. At least it's clean. That's what I say. At least it's clean. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Oh, wait. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Curly, curly, cute, cute, curly, curly, cute, curly, curly. Yep. She is beauty, she is grace.